Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a shout out to all the gamers out there. I'm going to show you how to find your trade URL on Steam. So the first thing you want to do is log in, and I'm doing it on the browser. However, you can do it on the app as well. So we're going to go to the top of this menu over here, and you'll find your name, and you will look for profile at the drop down menu. Okay, so you will get over now onto this page over here, and then you want to go ahead and look for inventory on the right hand side. Once you have opened inventory, you'll see at the top of the page it says trade offers. It is generally a blue button, and you want to click on that. And from here you want to just scroll down, and it says who can send me trade offers. We're going to click on that, and it'll open up this page, and at the bottom, voila, your trade URL. There it is. You can now also click on the create new URL if you'd like to, and then you are done. If you like this video, you can go ahead and drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.